So a few days back, I decided to learn alphabets in Korea. I believe that sharing your knowledge of what you've learned is going to help you to retain what you have learned. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to write the alphabets in Korea and how to write the alphabets in Igbo language. I am an Igbo girl and fusing both the Nigerian and Korean culture is all I'm about. So let's get right into it. That is it about today's video. See you in my next one.